Alright guys, today is the day. We just pulled up to Limitless Auto Collision. We're about to install the carbon hood on the R8 finally. The day you guys have been waiting for. And the day I've been waiting for, bro. I cannot wait. Damn. GTR just pulled up with some TEs. This will be the last time you guys see the stock hood. So in the last video, I talked about how difficult, not really difficult, but just time consuming it's gonna be to replace this hood. It's not as easy as other hoods, you know, like other hoods just have this and like that. But we gotta swap this over, which are, I don't even know how we're gonna swap that over. Swap these over, swap this whole thing over. These are actually riveted in, so we have to rivet it into the new hood probably. It's just a lot. Also, we had to disconnect this. This is the windshield wiper fluid. Unfortunately, the carbon hood doesn't have it, so we're not gonna have windshield wiper fluid either. I don't know, but they're gonna figure it out here. They're gonna get it done perfect, and I cannot wait, bro. It's been like months with this hood. We're finally gonna install it. And then once it's done, we gotta figure out if we color match it with the new wrap, because I think Premium does have extra material to cover the hood. It's a huge hood, but they said they might have enough to fully cover the hood with the blue wrap. Or should we keep it fully exposed carbon? I'm not sure yet. We'll see today how it looks, but I feel like it's gonna throw off the whole car because it's a lot of carbon. It's like the fender and the hood. Yeah, look how bad this is. Peeling the wrap from rubbing. It's probably gonna mess up the carbon low key. The carbon hood. Yeah, this hood is huge. Also, a huge shout out to Agency Auto Works once again. They're the ones who supplied this hood for me. It is crazy quality, bro. Like carbon on the inside and carbon on the outside, bro. It's a little dusty right now because it's been just sitting in body shops. But once it's on, we'll wipe it all down. Yeah, but look, there's two GTRs here. That one looks like a 2017. That's actually my favorite body style. I don't know if you guys could tell, but like I had this front end. I had this exact year, I think. Same headlights, same front end. But that one just has like a little bit more, I don't know, aggressive look. If I ever get another GTR, it would be like a 2017 model. It looks sick. It's like the same exact tire setup I think I had. I'm pretty sure these are 18s, right? 345, 35, 18. Yes, guys, 345, bro. They're so wide. This is the exact same tire size that I had and same tires. I just had different wheels. I had the TEs, but they were different. I think I had like the SLs or I don't know, the other style. And that's exactly how mine looked. I miss my car, bro. I really do. But yeah, it was literally one of my dream cars. My first ever dream car. And I bought it when I was 23, bro. Now your boy's an unk. Now I'm old. Until I blew the transmission twice. And then that's what made me kind of fall out of love with it. Or else I probably would have still had it. But after like blowing the transmission once, fixing it, whatever, I knew it was bound to happen. Every GTR owner knows your transmission's probably gonna go out. Then I got it back after like 3-4 months and it blew up again, bro. Like literally the same week we installed the transmission. It was literally a headache, bro. After that, I literally fell out of love with it. I was like, dude, I'm just gonna sell it and get a freaking R8, bro. Get my other dream car. Also, guys, we are going to Japan again in January for Tokyo Auto Salon. If you guys remember last year, we rented an R32 GTR. I drove it all around the city. It felt unreal, bro. It literally felt like I was a local, like in my own car. It wasn't really my own car, but you get what I mean. It was an R32 GTR, driving around the city, going to car meets. It was sick. It was a vibe, and I want to do it again, but I need you guys' help. What car should we rent this time in Japan? Should I get another R32? Should we get an R34 this time, which would be crazy? I've never driven an R34. Or should we just get an R35? Because they have R35s for rent. And it would just be so much more comfortable, you know? The R32 is very old. I had to shift gears. This is automatic. It's comfortable. It's fast. R35 might be the move. Look, we got the hood delete. I should just drive it like this. Imagine. He had to drill a hole and then replace this thing in there, and it literally looks OEM. I don't know how he did that, but this dude is a magician. Wrap it? Yeah, I probably will end up wrapping it. Maybe leaving like this.
It wasn't that bad, bro.
And then maybe wrapping, maybe like leaving this carbon too, but it looks crazy on carbon. It looks hella modified though. Dude, the fitment's not bad. As you guys know, like carbon sometimes fits pretty weird, you know, or like those big gaps. Yeah, just like adjust a little bit of things and it should be good. But like this is not bad. Damn, it looks crazy though. Alright, well, he's gonna adjust it a little bit more. You gotta do like little tweaks, you know, like close it, adjust it, open it, adjust it, close it, adjust it, just to get the fitment perfect. So it's a lot of little tedious work, but I'm so hyped. I'm for sure gonna keep it carbon like this for a little bit. I'm gonna go take pictures of it. This looks hella modified. Yeah, look at with the black wheels. Sheesh. Dude, it looks tough. Yeah, see, the other hood did not have any of this, like this indentation right here. It's like the CS hood on my F80. And it has vents right here too. Carbon fiber, huge. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. The wing, the whole engine bay is carbon too. I don't know if you guys know that, but the whole engine bay is carbon. Everything is carbon in here. The wing, the diffuser. Dude, there's too much carbon on this car. All right, guys, we got the hood finally installed. Dude, it looks crazy. It's a little dusty right now, so don't mind the dust. I might go spray it down at the car wash because it's super dirty. But dude, the car looks completely different. Check this out. Look at that, bro. This thing looks crazy. Dude, it literally changed the whole entire car. Like, it's a huge piece of freaking carbon. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know. I told you guys it comes all the way to the fender, so I don't know. You guys tell me, are we liking it or not? It does not look stock anymore. Dude, now, like officially, we have done everything you possibly can do to an R8 besides the turbos, but other than that, like, there's literally nothing else I can do, bro. Like, we've touched everything. Okay, mirror caps. Look, I'm missing these little things. The last piece of carbon. That hood looks insane, dude. So what I'm thinking, I might cut like a square right here and keep like these carbon, and then also cut like this out so that only this little stripe is carbon too. That's what I'm thinking. The rest, everything else, blue. But anyways, huge shout out to my boy Rob at Limitless Auto Collision. He got the hood all installed for me. It did take some time, but they just wanted to make sure it was perfect. They also were trying to make the windshield wiper fluid work and like the lines, but it's just not working correctly. They said they could probably do it, but we gotta like cut the lines and then re-put them together, and I don't know. I told them it's fine, bro. Like, don't even worry about it. They were trying for like 2 hours right now just to make the windshield wiper fluid work. It's because like that little line is in the hood. We'll figure that out later. For now, I don't have windshield wiper fluid, but whatever. I've seen hoods have like the worst fitment issues. Honestly, it's not bad at all. This looks completely OEM. Right here looks OEM. All this is lined up straight. This looks OEM. This looks really clean too. It literally fits like stock, bro. I'm hyped though. I feel like the car's gonna get even more attention now. All right, it's the next day now. The car looks insane, bro. I still cannot believe this is my R8. Like, it's fully, I feel like we just hit max prestige level, bro. Like on Call of Duty, max prestige. There's nothing else to do. This week, I got word that we are dropping off the car to get twin turbo. Supposedly, we'll see. The shop's just very busy, but I can't wait for that. After the turbo, I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. Like, I cannot believe this is my car. It's so freaking sick. David's outside and he's about to wash the R8 for me, get it all clean, because it is very freaking dusty. We're about to see it finally shine. But if you think about it, it's pretty much like a carbon. It's like a carbon front end. That shit looks crazy. It looks like crazy. It looks fast now, huh? Like, it looks like modified. It does not look stock no more. You wrap it? Probably. I'm gonna keep it like this for a little bit though, because it does look pretty sick. I feel like the black side looks better now because it matches.
Like twin turbo, this is crazy.
I know, that's what I've been saying.
With the back bumper, like center exit, that should be
insane. Oof, imagine bumper delete, turbos hanging out.
For sure, fucking like 1,000.
This car look ridiculous, bro. Is it the hardest R8? Yes or no, bro?
I think mine is better.
Bro, what kind of car is this, David? Look. I don't know what it is, but it does look pretty sick. What kind of car is that, chat? Look at all the water in here. There's no way, bro. No way it's gonna be like that every time it rains. All right, R8 is all clean. Shout out to David. Shit looks spotless now. Look at the hood. Sheesh. Bro, the hood carbon, like, now you can see all of it.
Hopefully this one doesn't get out. It looks like the other one.
Oh, like the swirls?
Yeah.
Nah, it looks pretty good so far. But I probably should ceramic coat it all. Oh, it kind of does in the sun. That's exactly how my G80 hood was. You guys see all that? Damn, it is like that. So I gotta get it corrected, huh?
Yeah, see? It is like that.
That sucks. Yeah, it was the same thing with my G80. We had to correct it and then ceramic coat it, and it looks perfect after that. But yeah, it does have a little bit of swirls. Yeah, we gotta do that ASAP.
Your car is dirty, bro.
Is this the most dirty car you washed? It's bad, huh? Look at the wheels. They're hella dirty. But David's gonna watch the F80 now. with the freaking busted lip. It broke even more. I didn't even show you guys, but I had to add more tape because it broke even more. I need to just take the lip off, but I don't have the tools. The guy should be pulling up to fix the windshield, which this has been long overdue, bro. I know it's kind of hard to see right now, but there's a huge crack all the way right here. Then there's like this bullet hole looking one from a big old rock. That was actually Kevin's GTS, bro. A rock flew at me when I was driving behind him.
How do you want to pay for it?
I should have Kevin pay for it. Yeah, look at this crack, dude. It's huge. So yeah, we're finally gonna fix it because as you guys know, this clapped out F80 CS is going to SEMA. So I'm trying to make it look as nice as possible. So new lip and new windshield. New windshield today and a new lip hopefully this week. Oh, also, I wanna do this. What do you guys think? So I took off the wing. I feel like we were one of the first few that did that. I wanna put the wing on. Look, I have it right here. I already put tape on it too. But this is the OEM CS wing.
How much is it? OEM?
Bro, it's probably a lot. Yeah, it came off of the car. What do you guys think? Should we throw it back on the car? It does look completely different with the wing. It's crazy how much of a difference that is. I always like the wingless look because first of all, no one had it at one point. I feel like I was one of the first few to take the wing off. And then now everybody started doing this no wing look. I'm not gonna say I started it, but maybe a little bit. Now, I kind of want to put it back on. But I'm just bored. I just want to change it up. Do a little different look. I should just drive it like this, imagine. Drive it with no windshield. All right, the windshield is done. You know what I just realized too? The last windshield had window tint on it. This one does not, so no more windshield tint. And no more crack. It's funny because I've been thinking about taking off the window tint anyways so that you can see the roll cage better. I was even thinking about taking off this window tint too, because you literally can't see the cage, especially to the back. I feel like the back's the coolest, but bro, it is so dark. It is like double limo tint. But if it had no tint, you'd be able to see this whole like X bar and stuff through the windshield, or through the back window. I've just never really had a car without window tint. Like all my cars are fully murdered out, blacked out. You can't even see anything inside. That's how I like it, because I don't want no one seeing me while I'm driving.
You got too many ops?
Yeah. But this car might be an exception, just to show the cage. Yeah, it looks way better. Shout out to those guys that fixed the windshield. That was quick. Now that the car's all clean, we could throw the wing on. But yeah, I did this 2 years ago on my last F80. And I wasn't the first. I actually give it to Joseph. Joseph at 412, he did it on his Yas Marina blue F80. And that had to been like 4 years ago. So he was for sure one of the first people. But I am gonna miss this look. I mean, I could always take it off again, but I don't know, I wanna change it up a little bit. All right, the wing is on. What do you guys think? Bro, honestly, I think it looks sick, bro. Like, it looks complete now. I like it. I don't know, maybe we'll go back to the no wing look. Maybe we could even color match it white. White might be hard. Like color matched? They don't have like a little lip.
Sick, no?
I was thinking about doing that. Like color matching the diffuser white. I just don't think we have enough time, brother. I actually like the wing, David, I'm not gonna lie.
For now,
The wing is back, brother.
tired of it.
I do get bored fast, huh? But look, once the lip's on, bro, this car is ready for SEMA now. It's looking way better. Bro, my cars are crazy, guys. I thought that was David. It feels like... David, that food looks just like you, bro. I thought that was you. But yeah, it feels like I'm playing like Need for Speed or Forza, like building crazy cars in real life. Like, look at this, bro. They both look insane. I gotta get an updated photo shoot all my cars together. I haven't done it in a while. But like all of them together with the new hood, the new what?
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.